going on, guys? Jay, that's Rain Day. We are in an apartment today, and they have a plug bathtub. When they run the bathroom sink, it comes up the bathtub. That blue apparently is like a liquid plumber or something like that. So we're going to be using the Milwaukee M18. We have a 5/16 cable with a bulb head on it. So let's see if we can get this cleared out. The toilet is fine. You guys can see we just flushed that, but nothing's coming up there. So we're basically at the trap now. We're going to start spinning while pushing in to get it through the trap. Okay, so we just made it through the trap. So we're going to keep going and see if we can push it to the stack. And then we'll probably end up going a little bit more as well, but let's keep it going. We got it cleared. You guys can see the water going down there, right? So we're gonna keep going, get it to the stack and go a little bit further, like I said. We're definitely in the stack now. We're going to spin it backwards and pull it out and see if we caught anything. Nothing came out, so why don't we go in one more time to make sure we get everything going. Alright, so again, we're at the trap, so let's push it through. So again, nothing came out. So I think that's where we're going to leave it. Cheers to that. Yeah, so they've obviously got I guess that's what they use, Q99 drain opener. So, well, thank you guys for watching. Until next time, this has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Ta-ra.